Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable or enable status bar in File Explorer in Windows 10. Click File Explorer. Now status bar is displayed. Click File. Click Change Folder and Search Options. Click View tab. Uncheck Show Status Bar. Click Apply, OK. Now status bar is disabled. Click File. Click Change Folder and Search Options. Click View tab. Check Show Status Bar. Click Apply, OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.